up, y'all? Suga Rey back at it again with another video. So another purchase I just recently made is a Spec D tuning exhaust, Catback obviously, and yeah, I'm gonna give you my review and quick clips of how the car sounds like in the tunnel and outside the street. I have a couple things that you should know when getting an exhaust. One, it's cheap. Two, this thing would not actually fit in your car. I mean, actually, it won't really fit right. And three, it is drony as hell. Once you turn it on and you drive it, you'll have that drony sound, and that thing's gonna be buzzing through your ear or head or whatever all day, as long as you drive this car. With the fitment, what I did is let me tell you what the problem was. The problem was that it was touching the bumper, and you know, when exhaust gets hot, it usually melts things, and so that was happening with my rear bumper. It was melting in. It didn't melt to the point where it was, you know, devoured, but I caught it lucky enough. But the solution I did was I just cut the hangers and moved it to the middle more, and that usually solved my problem. Yeah. So this is what it looks like. It used to be hanging from here. It was touching this part, and I just moved it to the middle. It does shake a bit. Yeah, let me show you quick clips of it. So, if you like the sound of exhaust and you don't mind the drone and you don't mind relocating it, then this may be the exhaust for you. But if it's not, you can spend a couple more $100 just to get a decent exhaust. That probably may sound better than this, but overall for me, it's suitable for me. But probably in the future, I'll probably get something better. But the time being, I'll stick with this.